Top 10. Best Pool Test Kits. Best Pool Test Kit, which will show you key information about the cleanliness and chemical balance of your water. Number 10. Pentair 2-in-1 Test Kit. How small the entire kit is, and that it can fit neatly inside the blue hard-shelled case. You can have this stored near your pool for easy access, without having to worry about it being damaged or water getting in. When it does come time to use your kit, you will have an easy time testing your pool. High accuracy. Easy to read. For chlorine and pH. Number 9. Blue Devil Test Kit. Blue Carry Case. The carry case is a hard shell which will protect all the parts of the kit. This kit is extremely easy to use. There are 2 vials for you to add pool water to, and you want to make sure to fill them to the recommended lines, and then add your chemicals to the vial. You may need to agitate the water a little. 5 tests. Hard case. Simple operation. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Pool Test Kits or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Blue Devil B7448 5-Way Auto Kit. You can test for chlorine by bromine, total chlorine, pH, alkalinity, acid demand, calcium hardness, chlorine stabilizer, and base demand. With so many tests, you can be assured that your pool is taken care of. 8 tests. Comprehensive results. Easy readouts. Number 7. Poolmaster 5-Way Test Kit. pH, acidity, and alkalinity. To take the tests, simply fill the vial with water and then drop a few drops of the solution into the water. Agitate the water a little to fully mix the test chemical with the pool water. Once the water has been mixed, it should turn a different color. 5 tests. Case included. Easy to use. Number 6. Taylor Technologies Deluxe Pool and Spa. If you have a commercial swimming pool, or want the best testing kit possible for your home pool, the kit offers you 9 separate tests and gives you the most precise test results. If you are having any problems with your pool, and need to find answers, then this pool test kit will give them to you. Versatile kit. A high level of tests. Durable case. Number 5. Jet Pool Tools Standard Dual Levels. To use the test, you add the pool water to the 2 vials, and then add 5 drops of chemical to each vial. One vial will have the chlorine test chemical added, and the other will have the pH chemical added. Make sure that you add them to the correct vial to make testing easier. Simple design. 2 key tests. Safe carry case. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Pool Test Kits or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Taylor Troubleshooter Pool and Spa Instructions Mixed Tub. On the back of the instruction guide, there is also a dosage chart to help you translate the test and choose the appropriate next steps. The hard case helps to keep everything together, safe and secure. The kit also comes with a great carrying case. Can be used with a pool and spa. 6 tests. Hard case. Number 3. Poolmaster Smart Test 6-Way, and affordable too. This test kit will test your pool for free chlorine, bromine, alkalinity, pH, total chlorine, and total hardness. You get a total of 50 test strips in every container, which is more than enough to test your pool for at least a month. Ideal for hot tubs. 6 tests. 50 strips. Number 2. Taylor Technologies Test Kit. To use a pool company and their chemical services. It is also a great testing kit for saving you a lot of money, as you can test for acidity, alkalinity, calcium hardness, pH, and cyanuric acid. We like that the test kit comes with a different test for the sanitizer levels. 5 tests. Carry case. Good for fresh and salt water. Number 1. AquaChek Water Test Strips. Most affordable. The strips come in an airtight bottle to protect them from the elements, especially moisture. When you buy a bottle, you get 100 test strips, which can be enough for 3 months of testing. You get 7 tests with a single strip. You are testing for free chlorine. Value for money. Ease of use. 7 tests. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Pool Test Kits or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts.